Breaking news that's coming in at the top of this hour. Home Minister Amit Shah is to chair a meeting with chief ministers of Naxal-affected states shortly. The meeting will be held at Vigyan Bhavan in Delhi and will review Naxal activities in different states. Chief ministers of 10 Naxal-affected states, in fact, have been called for this meeting. Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel is to skip this crucial meeting. The state, however, will be represented by the Chief Secretary and the DGP. My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu is now joining me live from Delhi on this story. Kamaljeet, what is expected to be taken up at this critical meeting that's happening in Delhi this morning?
Well, this is a review which is to be carried out not only to have better synergy, to set up more bases to counter Naxals in key zone areas. Especially the focus is on Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Orissa. Several of the other states like Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal have performed much better with skeleton bases of Naxals really left. But there is a two-point agenda. One is to have more security bases, to have more proactive operations, to have better quality of operations. The other is to have developmental side-by-side. This is to counter the Naxal propaganda, to have better governance as far as the government is concerned, to have an outreach. So all these are measures. But remember, interestingly, Bhupesh Baghel, who is the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh, the key focus area of the entire meeting is likely to skip the meeting. We do expect that in a few seconds from now, the meeting is expected to begin. Home Minister Amit Shah is to chair the meeting. But clearly, there seems to be several shortfalls. Now, remember from the past few years where Prime Minister Manmohan Singh at that point of time had mentioned that this is the biggest internal security threat to 2020, where only 60 to 70 strongholds of Naxals are left. The challenge is not to only counter Naxals, but also to ensure that the theory of urban Naxals, and we've seen a crackdown happen on those particular areas, take place. The other is what happens to the top leadership of Naxals. Now, in the past few months, we saw how a Naxal attack took place in Bijapur, in Chhattisgarh, and even the top leaders like Hidma, who've been target of security forces, they've still not been neutralized. To go after top Naxals, they have received a setback during this entire COVID period.
Right.
Several desertion taking place, but these are several measures. The real part is to have a counter strategy in place to utilize, modernize the forces and to ensure that there is
so that meeting, in fact, Kamaljeet, is to start very shortly at Vigyan Bhavan in Delhi. We will, of course, keep coming back to you for the details that emerge from that meeting that the Home Minister will be chairing. Kamaljeet, thank you so much for joining us.